on, Frank. Crossways.
Get your leg back.
Come on, Frank. Come on. Come on. Get your hips back. There you go. Shit. 2. Bring him back. Bring him back. Bring him back.
Frank, keep pressing. Half.
Let's go, Frank.
Frank, crossface.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Crucifix.
Get up on your knees.
Yeah, Frank.
Get up on your knees. Crowd into him.
He's get on your knees, Frank.
Frank, on your knees.
Frank, come on. Come on. Sit. Sit through. Grab that other wrist.
He's back.
Grab a wrist. Push his head out. There you go. Push that head out. Push that head out, Frank. Stay on him.
Yes.
Stay on him.
Stay on the mat.
Don't let him get any points.
Yeah, Frank.
Good job. Good job. Good job.
Yeah, boy, Frank.
Let's go, Frank. Keep it up.
He's back.
Try to get your leg in. Try to get your leg in. There you go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Sink it. Let's go. Get your hips back.
2 seconds, Frank.
5-0 after the first.
Frank, let's go. 2 minutes for that. Come on. Frank, get him.
Frank, just finish it. Let's go. Show him business, Frank.
Wait for a cradle. Work for that cradle.
Come on, Frank. There you go. There you go, Frank.
There you go.
There you go.
Get off your hip. Work up to your knees.
Work up to your knees, Frank. Frank, knees.
Grab that arm between your legs, Frank. Frank, grab that arm between your legs. Bring him back. Bring him back. Saturday. Stay behind him, Frank. Work new. Work something new, Frank. Shit, dude. Ankle roll.
He's just bitch tossing it. Spin mixer, Frank.
Come on, Frank. Come on. Come on. Get that leg free. There you go.
Frank, let's get a pin.
Come on.
Frank, we need a pin. Let's go.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Second.
That's good. I got this on video.
8-0. After the second. Let's go, Frank.
Try the iPhone.
Work up. Work up.
Come on, Frank.
Peterson. You got to get that arm between his legs.
Get up. Let's go.
Work up, Frank, work up.
You got the best cardio in Arizona.
His hips are off you. His hips are off you, Frank. Frank, his hips are off you.
Frank, you need to pin this dude.
Let's go, kid. Keep working.
Come on, Frank. Frank, stand up.
Stay tough. Stay tough, kid. Work out.
Stand up.
Get up.
Stand up.
Get up, Frank.
Stand up.
Come up.
Yes.
There you go.
Spin mixer.
Front corner. Front corner.
Wait, Frank, get your point.
35 seconds. Come on. There's three. There's three, Frank. Come on, throw it, bro. Woo! Good shit, kid. There you go.